So hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video I discuss about new Usdt earning platform. So guys, this platform link in my description box, so let's go and click the registration link and open this platform. Check this platform. This is the interface of this platform. So guys, first of all, register an account. You need to put your email address and password and click and confirm password and fill up invitation code in my description box. Then you need to put your telegram number and simply click the register now button. So guys, after registration process will be completed, check this is the latest announcement of this platform, so you can read it, then click the close button and you can see this is the interface of this platform, and you can check this is the referral address. So you need to copy this address and share your friend and family. If your friend join and recharge, so you can get very good profit and get very good commission. And now you can check team section. There are 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. So guys, you can make your own team and get very good profit and get very good commission. So guys, now you can check oil section, and there are many plans, so you can purchase so guys, you can purchase it. And now you can check West Asia. First, their price 40 USDT and per day income is 3 USDT. And you can check VIP West Asia 2, and you can check their price 90 USDT and per day income is 20. So you can check all price and their daily income. So guys, now you need to recharge. For recharge, you need to click the recharge button. For recharge, you need to click the recharge button and then copy this address and go to your cryptocurrency wallet. This is my wallet. So you need to click the USDT button, send button, paste the address and click the next button and fill up your rechargeable amount. After recharge done, you need to click the so that customer service can recharge. So after recharge done, you need to purchase oil AC1. So you need to click here and click the buy now button, and you can see I have already purchased. And now you need to check my today income is 3 USD. So now I want to show you how to withdraw. This is a very easy process. So you need to click the withdraw button, and you need to set a withdraw password. So guys, you can check my withdrawal address successfully. So now you need to put your withdrawal address and password. So guys, my withdrawal address is successfully. So now you need to put your withdrawable amount and password. So guys, you can check my withdrawal successful done. So guys, withdrawal received time is 1 turn, so I am waiting 1 turn. Okay, and you can check I have received in a second. I have received 3 USD. This is the live withdrawal proof of this platform. So guys, this platform is very good and very profitable website. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So let's go and click the description link and use this platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.